To install PrusaSlicer on your computer, go to prusa3d.com. That's Prusa, the number 3d.com, and click on Software. Then choose your computer platform, either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. I have Mac OS, so I'll click that to download the program installer. Then go to your Downloads folder, and you'll see the PrusaSlicer installer. Double-click to open it. Now click and drag the printer icon over to the Applications folder. Then you can close that window. Now if you look in your Applications and you scroll down, you should see Original Prusa Drivers, and there's PrusaSlicer. Double-click PrusaSlicer to open. The first time you open PrusaSlicer, you'll have to go through this configuration process, but this will only happen the first time, and it's a simple process. On the left-hand side, we'll click Prusa FFF, uncheck this first one. We'll scroll down to the Prusa Mini family, and we're going to pick Original Prusa Mini and Mini Plus with Input Shaper, and we're going to pick the 0.6 millimeter nozzle. Then we can skip down to Filaments on the left-hand side, and we'll click None to deselect everything, and we'll scroll down to Generic PLA, and then click Finish. Now the last thing we can do is we'll go up to the top right-hand corner, and where it says Print Settings, we'll click the arrow and choose 0.35 millimeter structural. And you'll see that Generic PLA is already selected and that the printer is the Prusa Mini Plus with Input Shaper 0.6 nozzle. The next time you open PrusaSlicer, these settings will be remembered and you'll be ready to slice your model.